Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup with groundnut oil. Start by prepping all vegetables and aromatics into uniform pieces. Heat groundnut oil in a large pot until shimmering, then add onions and garlic to soften without browning. Add root vegetables first, then quicker cooking items later. Pour in broth, simmer gently until tender, and finish with fresh herbs and a final seasoning taste and adjust. Gather everything before you start to make cooking calm and efficient. Chop carrots, potatoes, celery, and any greens into consistent sizes for even cooking. Have groundnut oil measured and ready in a small dish for quick adding. Keep a ladle and a simple strainer nearby for skimmed foam or excess oil. Prepare herbs and aromatics separated so you can add them at the right times without delay. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes anywhere, with great battery life and a comfy screen for kitchen use. I use mine for bookmarking techniques and grocery lists, and it fits nicely on a counter. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control the heat to avoid overbrowning, which keeps the soup bright and clean tasting. Use groundnut oil for a high smoke point and subtle nutty depth that complements vegetables. Add denser vegetables early and leafy greens in the last few minutes to keep them vibrant. Taste and adjust seasoning at the end, and add a splash of acid to lift the final bowl before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.